SIGER Data Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case.
The customer's machine, a Fuketa DMIC-161 swing head gantry machining center, is widely utilized for machining large steel molds thanks to its rigid structure, multi-axis capability, and large work table. However, thermal deformation during prolonged operation and temperature fluctuations can undermine machining accuracy. The CMS Thermal Compensation Management System addresses this by intelligently correcting thermal errors, ensuring high precision in complex machining tasks. Function 1. Provide accuracy compensation for multi-axis swing head linkage. We use PT100 sensors to collect real-time temperature data of X or Y or Z axes and feed it to the E3 Plus system. This builds a custom thermal error model for gantry multi-axis motion, ensuring precise tool positioning and accurate spatial alignment for large workpieces. Function 2. Provide a thermally stable environment for precision workpiece machining. For batch, seasonal, or intermittent production, the system monitors temperature changes and adjusts compensation in real time via predictive algorithms, minimizing deformations from spindle or guide rail temperature differences. Function 3. Provide support for unmanned continuous production. Support for unmanned continuous production in automated or unmanned scenarios. The system offers 24/7 thermal error correction under varied conditions, reducing manual intervention and enabling continuous production. SIGER Data's thermal error management system features an integrated design deployable within 2 weeks. It's compatible with mainstream CNC systems and diverse machine tools, supporting hardware expansion to 4 extra systems, tool monitoring, collision protection,
adaptive machining.
For a cost-effective upgrade to full process intelligent control, choose SIGER Data for cost reduction, efficiency gains, and worry-free production.